Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Motivational Monday. If you are someone who has big dreams but struggle with procrastination, you are not alone. I've been there, and today I'm going to share how I've learned to overcome it through the power of consistency. Trust me, this is a journey worth embarking on, so stick around. Let me be real with you for a moment. There was a time when my YouTube journey was inconsistent, to say the least. I'd post a video full of excitement and then disappear for months. I tell myself, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. Does that sound familiar? I knew something had to change. It wasn't about a lack of ideas or passion. It was about procrastinating. I realized that in order to truly unlock my potential, I needed to embrace consistency. So how did I do it? Let me share 3 strategies that help me break the cycle of procrastination and start showing up for myself and my audience. 1. Start small and build momentum. Start small and build a momentum. I started small by setting small manageable goals, just between 10 to 15 minutes a day, whether I was planning content, scripting, or editing. Those 15 minutes were non-negotiable. What I found was that those 15 minutes often turned into 30, then an hour, and before I knew it, I had built momentum. It's like pushing a boulder. The first push is the hardest, but once it starts rolling, it gets easier. If you are struggling with consistency, start small. It's the small daily actions that add up to massive success. I remember the first week I tried this approach. At first, it felt like I wasn't doing enough, but by the end of the week, I could see real progress, and that's the thing about consistency. It compounds over time. Create a routine. Another game changer for me was establishing a routine. I've got a full-time job. Mostly what I would do is come up with content in between the days, mostly after work, and me being a morning person would always come up with a shabby or unprofessional looking video. So I made it a point to dedicate the weekends to start my day with content creation. Having a set time removed the decision-making process, and before long, it became a habit. When you create a routine, you are telling yourself that this is important, whether it's morning, evening, or somewhere in between. Find a time that works for you and stick to it. I used to struggle with a routine, and my YouTube journey actually says it all. As you can see, there are a lot of inconsistencies in when I post or how I post, but once I found my rhythm, everything started to click. It wasn't about being perfect every day, but about showing up consistently. And guess what? My audience started to notice too. And finally, embrace the journey, not just the destination. I learned to enjoy the process. Consistency isn't just about reaching a goal, it's about becoming better every day. I stopped obsessing over perfection and started celebrating progress. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results. But remember, each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Embrace the journey and don't be afraid to share it with your audience. They will appreciate your authenticity. The more I shared my journey, the more I realized I wasn't alone. My audience could relate to the struggles, and it made the connection even stronger. So don't be afraid to be vulnerable. It's part of the process. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Take the first step towards consistency, no matter how small it is. Share your journey in the comment section, and let's hold each other accountable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need a little push, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let's keep each other motivated, one step at a time.